in. Right. I'm not gonna skip. Come on. Actually, I'm not gonna look. I'll leave the room. And we are! Yes! Yes! My first ever legend! I've got one! I finally got one! I finally got a legend! Woo! Oh my god! Where is my controller? He's a good one as well! He's not a shitty one! He must be worth like $1 million! Oh, I haven't got a legend this whole year! I haven't got a single legend this whole year! Oh. This pack opening is the greatest thing just in...
What? Not me! I ain't gonna use Hobie because I'm gonna use De Bruyne! Freaking De Bruyne! Oh shit! Oh this freaking shit! Freaking Roberto! Freaking Carlo! What's up? Roberto! Freaking Carlo! Oh my god! Roberto! Freaking Carlo! What's up? And he's on game! He's back on the scene! He's back on the scene! Well, this is why they call me a pack king! This is why shit like this!
Baby, this your kingdom.
No! No, I don't believe it! I don't believe it! What's that? Holy shit! Holy shit! Come on, and you know what? Let's skip! Oh, Di Maria! That is, oh my god! Oh my god! Just got gross to Di Maria! Holy 89 shot, 96 passing, 90 dribbling! Oh my god! There's someone in the back of this bag! There's someone in the back of this bag! I'm recording! Oh my god, I'm recording! There's someone sick in the back of this bag! I'm looking away! I'm looking away! Oh my god! I can't! Who is it? Oh shit! Neymar! Oh my god! How much did he got? 2.4 million coins! Oh my god! Neymar!
Nose pack! Come on! A up! A! Give me someone! Skip! Oh, I got no one! Oh! Yes! Finally! I got a blue! Yes! Come on! Right, no! I can't celebrate! We don't have more packs! I finally got a blue! Yes!
K-pack, boom, on the train. These are called the train packs, and we get oh shit! We get oh my god, next pack. Come on, give me someone good. Next pack. Look, you see this dedication, boys? Opening packs on the train, and we get another. Did I just get a duplicate hazard? Oh!
Gosh, you did. Ooh, what you say? I beg I don't get anyone because I'm gonna have to keep that singing in. Please. Oh! We did get someone! We did! We got Di Maria! Like 4 million! Oh my! Oh no! Oh my god! He is one of the best! 'Best blues I could have got. Are you
Right, last 100k pack out of this huge 100k pack opening. Come on, EA. Treat your boy Yib to some... No. Holy shit! Holy shit! I can't believe it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my thing! I can't believe it! I legit can't believe it! I can't believe it! I can't... Oh, what the...
My dad just texted me saying tea's ready. Can you see that? Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god! How much do you sell for? Yes!
No! Wait! I'm getting good! Ronaldo! Holy shit! Holy 2 points!
The 100k pack! I'm not gonna skip! What? No! Please, and his phone as well! Ah, my foot! No! Are you... No! Ah, I got Messi! Oh my god! Oh! I don't even know what that reaction was! What? How? We've got Ronaldo and Messi! We've got the 2 best players in the game! Josh! Oh my... No! I'm not even joking! I've got... Wait for it! I have got Ronaldo! Messi! I got Cruz! I got Di Maria! Josh! This game is gonna kill me! How much is he worth? Skip! And we get no one again. Fake Hazard! No! Hold on. He's worth 15 million! Oh my god! Yes! Come on! Are you dumb? I got the best player in the game! I got the best player in the game! No! Where's my controller? Where is my controller? Mom! Look! No, you're not gonna understand, but please! You don't even know! That could pay off our mortgage! You don't know! No! You don't understand! I need a minute. Give me a minute. I swear! First owner! Look! He's first owner! He's worth 15 million! He's better than Pele! He's better than Honey! He's better than... Oh my god! 98 pace, 99 shooting, 90 passing, 99 dribbling. He's 99 rated! There! What?